Looking for the perfect breakfast upgrade? Today we're diving into a must-have kitchen essential that makes mornings easier and tastier. Best waffle maker panini machines bring crispy waffles and golden, melty sandwiches together in one versatile appliance. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now let's get started. Number 1. Cuisinart Waffle Maker Panini. The Cuisinart Waffle Maker Panini is a versatile kitchen powerhouse that truly lives up to its reputation for high performance. As a 5-in-1 appliance, it can function as a contact grill, panini press, full grill, full griddle, or half grill/half griddle, making it ideal for any culinary need. Whether you're whipping up breakfast favorites like pancakes and sausages or preparing dinner staples such as steaks and hamburgers, this appliance handles it all effortlessly. The dual temperature controls are particularly impressive, allowing you to adjust from warm to sear in grill or panini mode, and from 200 degrees Fahrenheit to 425 degrees Fahrenheit in griddle mode. This ensures precise cooking every time, whether you want a lightly toasted sandwich or a perfectly seared steak. Cleaning is a breeze thanks to the non-stick grill and griddle plates, removable drip tray, and included cleaning tool, all of which are dishwasher safe. This thoughtful design saves both time and effort, making post-cooking cleanup virtually painless. The sturdy construction and hinged lid allow for even heat distribution and consistent results across all types of food. Ideal for families, casual cooks, or anyone looking to simplify their kitchen routine, this Cuisinart model is a reliable all-in-one appliance. Its combination of performance, versatility, and easy maintenance makes it an excellent choice for those who value efficiency without compromising quality. Overall, the Cuisinart Waffle Maker Panini is a top-tier addition to any kitchen, ensuring delicious results for a wide variety of meals, from breakfast to dinner, with minimal hassle. Number 2. OVENTE Waffle Maker Panini. The OVENTE Waffle Maker Panini is a compact yet powerful appliance designed to bring speed and convenience to any kitchen. Boasting 750 watts of power, it heats quickly and efficiently, delivering hot sandwiches, waffles, or grilled meals in mere minutes. Its 3-in-1 design comes with interchangeable plates for sandwiches, waffles, and grilling, allowing you to create a wide range of dishes with one versatile appliance. From breakfast waffles to crispy bacon and perfectly toasted grilled cheese, the OVENTE Waffle Maker Panini handles it all with ease. The non-stick plates make cooking and cleanup effortless, and they are dishwasher safe for added convenience, while a simple wipe down suffices when you prefer quick cleaning. Its compact size makes it ideal for small kitchens, dorms, or apartments, and it can be easily stored in a cabinet or shelf when not in use. Portability is a bonus, allowing it to be used on camping trips, picnics, or travel with minimal effort. Safety is also a key feature, with a cool touch handle and anti-skid feet, ensuring a secure cooking experience. LED indicator lights let you know when the unit is powered on and ready for cooking, adding an extra layer of convenience and usability. Perfect for busy mornings or quick snacks, the OVENTE Waffle Maker Panini combines performance, portability, and ease of use in a single compact package. Number 3. CATTLEMAN Cuisine Waffle Maker Panini. The CATTLEMAN Cuisine Waffle Maker Panini is a premium multifunctional appliance designed for serious home chefs and family gatherings. Featuring a 6-in-1 design, it serves as a contact grill, panini press, full grill, full griddle, half grill/half griddle, or waffle maker, allowing for unparalleled versatility in one compact device. Its innovative double damping hinge design enables 180 degrees rotation of the lid, accommodating varying food thicknesses without the need for manual height adjustments. The reversible crystal ceramic grill plates offer a non-stick, PFAS, and PFOA-free surface, ensuring safe cooking and easy cleanup. These ceramic plates also provide superior heat retention and browning, ideal for searing steaks or creating golden, fluffy waffles. With a powerful 1,600-watt motor and independent temperature control for both the upper and lower plates, the CATTLEMAN Cuisine allows precise cooking of multiple dishes at different temperatures simultaneously. An included smart meat thermometer further enhances cooking accuracy, notifying you when food reaches the desired internal temperature, perfect for grilling meats without guesswork. The appliance is designed with usability in mind, featuring LCD displays, foldable grease trays, and ergonomic handles to prevent burns. Its thoughtful construction makes it suitable for a wide variety of dishes, from waffles and sandwiches to steaks and paninis. Cleaning is simple with detachable trays and included cleaning brushes, making post-cooking maintenance easy. Number 4. YEDI Houseware Waffle Maker Panini. The YEDI Houseware Waffle Maker Panini is an all-in-one appliance designed to simplify meal preparation while delivering professional quality results. This 6-in-1 grill functions as a contact grill, waffle maker, panini press, full grill, full griddle, or half grill/half griddle, making it ideal for a wide variety of recipes. The digital controls allow independent top and bottom temperature adjustments, giving precise control over your cooking from 175 degrees Fahrenheit to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. It heats up rapidly, reducing waiting time and making breakfast, lunch, or dinner preparation more efficient. A built-in removable drip tray simplifies cleanup and helps reduce excess grease, keeping meals healthier. YEDI includes practical accessories such as 2 silicone egg rings, perfect for creating sunny side-up eggs or mini pancakes, along with a spatula/tongs combo for handling delicate foods and draining liquids safely. The grill, griddle, and waffle plates are all reversible, dishwasher-safe, and free of PFOA, providing both safety and convenience. Its 12.7 x 8.8-inch plates offer ample cooking space for families, ensuring multiple servings can be prepared at once. The appliance's sturdy build and thoughtful design make it a reliable choice for everyday use, while the inclusion of user-friendly accessories adds versatility and functionality to your kitchen routine. Number 5. SugarWhisk Waffle Maker Panini. The SugarWhisk Waffle Maker Panini is a stylish and versatile 2-in-1 appliance that combines the best of a waffle iron and a grill into one compact unit. Designed with families in mind, it can cook 4 mini waffles or 2 paninis at once, making it ideal for breakfasts or snacks without long wait times. Powered by high wattage, it heats rapidly and distributes heat evenly, ensuring consistent cooking results, whether you're making waffles, grilled cheeses, sandwiches, or meats. The removable non-stick plates make cleaning effortless, either by a simple wipe down or in the dishwasher, saving time and energy in the kitchen. Its sleek, modern design complements any countertop while providing excellent functionality. The SugarWhisk Waffle Maker Panini excels in versatility, letting you explore a wide range of recipes from sweet to savory. Its compact footprint makes it perfect for smaller kitchens or limited counter space, while its efficient performance ensures that you never compromise on taste. This appliance combines convenience, performance, and user-friendly design in a single package, making it an excellent choice for busy families or anyone who loves to cook creatively. Whether preparing a quick breakfast, hosting brunch, or simply enjoying a snack, this waffle maker and panini press delivers consistent, delicious results every time. The SugarWhisk stands out for its balance of multifunctionality, rapid heating, and ease of cleanup, making it an indispensable kitchen tool that elevates both everyday meals and special occasions with minimal effort. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.